Hey foodies, thanks for watching. Today we're gonna make molasses cookies. These were a favorite at the restaurant. So let's take a look at the recipe. And we're gonna start by adding our butter. And our sugar together. And I'm gonna whip that together. Okay, now I'm gonna add my egg. And my molasses. There we go. Now we add our pinch of salt. And our baking soda, our spices, and our all-purpose flour. And we're going to want to mix this and just really beat it. The nice thing with gluten-free flour is you can beat it, and it's not going to get tough. So you can really whip it. Really nice, get lots of air pockets in there, make it really light and fluffy. Okay, so I'm going to wipe down the sides, and I'm going to give it one last really good mix. Okay, so the cookies are mixed. Let's scrape down the sides of the paddle. And then we can start scooping them. So this cookie dough, you can freeze, you can refrigerate. If it's in the fridge, it'll last for up to a week, which is great because then you can always have fresh baked cookies wafting through the house as a wonderful cookie smell. And the cookies, once they're baked, they could easily last a week on the shelf just in the cookie jar, but I don't know if they would last that long because they're really good. Okay, so I've got parchment paper lined cookie sheet here, and I'm just going to scoop with my portion scoop. There we go. Look at that. So we've got all the cookies scooped. I'm going to put these in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Look at these cookies. They look wonderful, and they've turned out just right. These were in for a total of 10 minutes exactly, and you can see they're crispy on the outside and soft. And chewy on the inside. I look forward to reading all of your comments below, and thanks for watching. See you again soon.